Blessings, you know. Yes, people, midlife TV, you see me I say? Oh, they are chilling with them, I say, with the big artist, you see me I
Yes,
say?
man, a giant man. Art of love, you know, majestically. Art of love.
Yeah, man.
Each and every one, you know. Art of love. And just remember that atom is everything. Everything is atom.
Atom.
One and all is identical.
Yeah, man, more life, you know? One connection, one vibration. You see me? Yeah, man. What am I preparing idea?
I'll prepare some Ackee.
Yeah, Ackee. It's a Jamaican national dish.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, people, Ackee, you know? Yeah, man, it's a great Ackee. Jamaican national dish, people, you see me I say? Yeah, man. Green banana. Yes, people, you know. It's a real food, you see me I say? Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Lord, yum.
It is the yam now.
Yeah, man. This a real Jamaican national dish now. You see what I say? Yes, people. People, this is the good food. You see what I say? And them are food that people who eat. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Banana get iron. You know?
Yeah, man, it's a real thing.
Real deal.
Yeah, man, iron this thing. Iron like a lion from Zion.
Real top one.
That's right.
Yes, people, you see it. You see, you know? National dish.
Yes, man, that's how we have to eat, you know.
Yeah, man.
We have to eat natural, you know.
We need to go back in natural food, man. Natural food is the best, you see it.
Yeah. Because, I don't like to say, nothing wrong with nothing, you know, because, you know, alright, you see, nature create the body of human being, so we can't stray from nature.
True.
Because if we get artificial, then you're going to become something else.
Yeah, man,
If we
artificial.
get too much artificial food, so I don't like to say you can't have it, no one then, you know. But if you're stuck in it, because as me tell you, everything is atom, people. Atom
Yeah,
is
atom.
everything. So we're not stray from that.
True.
We're not trying to confuse no one. You know?
True.
So you have artificial and you have original. The original only is coming off of the real atom.
Atom.
Yeah. And the artificial is also coming from the original.
Yeah.
That is also atom. So everything is, but if you live on the artificial, then you become like it.
Yeah, man. You know, on a substance, you know?
Automatically you go just transform.
Yeah. Them food in a
Because as me tell
substance.
you, yeah, because change is in time.
Yeah.
So just like how you see the seed grow. See it, people. You see it? It start to germinate already. It soon start grow.
One people have to Ackee seed, you know?
Yeah. It not have to go under the earth for germinate. It germinate also on top
True.
of the earth, you know? So the same way you grow like when you eat them things. You grow like a tree. Like a tree planted by
Yeah.
the riverside, you know?
Riverside, you know?
Water for every time, you know?
Yeah.
Earth, rich soil is there.
True, man.
Yeah. So the plant can manifest itself.
Powerful, you know? The earth. So powerful.
See that?
Yeah, man. Earth of life.
Everything
That's how we
is
tell
up-
them, say, midlife TV. You see me? Yeah, man, it's people, you know? Okay, I'm going to pot now.
Yeah, man, a black's place, man.
Yeah, man.
Original, man.
On the Winifred Beach people, you see me I say? A black's place. Cook up some food, you know? Yeah, man. So when you come on the beach, and you want food, link blocks. Refreshment, link blocks. Everything is here. Yeah, man. Right at black place. Yeah, man. You eat that one.
Yeah, man.
Yes, people, Ackee, simmer down, you know? Yeah, man. Jamaican national dish, people. It's already rough.
I need the next.
Yo, if you're ready, if you take you half enough fire.
Need the next minute. No, never yet, my boss.
Put the more salt in there.
You know what we use natural sea salt and less sodium, no?
What you talk, man? Yeah, man, that's the man.
Tell them it can already, you know, man. All the clients to make it fire. I'm not trying to buy it, you can't buy it.
Can't buy it.
Last time you said the woman sell me island in the have to sit in the island. I four of the life myself to buy it. I know back to the food. I said, give me still. I don't want to. Alright, thank you.
Yeah, man, this is a perfect onion, you know?
Yeah, man. Cook up Ackee now, you know, people. See me? I'm putting all the spice in I say. Season it up. Great onion.
Yes, man. Original is something that we do. Original, no fake. Because if you don't have onion and garlic in something, you don't have to.
I eat that, man.
Yeah, you want to go back. Backward. You don't go forward.
Yeah,
Backward.
man, onion up in the pot.
Forward. Yeah. You need to do the salt, brother.
Yeah, man. Scotch bonnet.
Yes, natural.
Great scotch bonnet pepper. People, we are sure to cook Jamaican national dish, people. If you say Ackee, you know?
My one? Put the water in it, yeah?
That's that. That one we ready to go see.
Put the water in it, yeah, bro?
Yeah.
Man, the garlic, people. The good old garlic. Good for a lot of things.
We don't cook it out, girl.
Yeah, man.
You know, girl is going to know what kitchen and all the things. If you don't know, girl, we don't cook it. You know?
Garlic coffee in a pot.
If you don't know, girl, we don't cook.
Garlic. Yeah, man. People that is scallion make the pot smell nice.
If you don't have something, you're not have
Yeah?
I'm telling you that.
Yeah, man, the great scallion people. Man.
Super deadline. Why say man already know about this? How you talk about? How you do? How you do? Ask him.
Yeah, man, shock, man.
Yo, people, you can't say that. You can't say that.
People, you want your food taste good?
Check that.
Check blocks.
Yeah, all right.
See what I say? Yeah, man.
Yo, brother. Left me alone. Tell him what. I'm locking your Nico. That's why I come at me with a rice and pizza before I soup me. And that's what we're going to
So anything we're ready for?
yeah, because right now, this is something we're going to use. You realize that you put that ready. What's that? You know where I'm going. I'll be hearing him pushing them catch.
Yeah. Cook in the kitchen too, you know? Yeah, man.
Say, but I left you alone.
Nah, I left you.
But come like that, we are owner. Oh, God. I take time with him speak because I'm animal.
It's on the beef time.
So people, you know, say anywhere you find scallion, you find thyme. This is the thyme, people. Yeah, man. Oh, I'm gonna tell you the smell of this man is normal.
And people, we cook natural food.
Natural food.
Yeah, we don't cook no
As you can
fake-
see, natural.
No fake food, you know. So you can come look where you want and tell where you want it. So we feel happy about that. And do it in
No
front of
people.
you.
See it no people. Lord. Ackee in a pot.
So you want to go now? You think blessed?
Yeah.
All right.
Ackee in
Today
a
I'm
pot,
motivated.
people.
Yeah, man, son.
Enough love, you know.
I can love you know, man. You know, we're up on the day, man. In a Black's kitchen, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Black's kitchen, you know.
Last time we do that here, you need to go wash here. Like you, brother. You know, brother say, you don't need to put on here. Because me hear you low already. You always tell the people that you see yesterday and they're full of vibes, you know.
Yeah, man.
They say the people are full of vibes. They say we meet up with some people big. They say the people are full of blood clot vibes.
Full of vibes.
Yeah, man. This is the natural coconut.
Like, you know. The blocks are
This is the natural coconut.
squeeze the coconut
Yes.
juice, you know.
So
The rice and
when
peas,
I give
people.
you, when I give you this, you eat the right thing.
This is the natural coconut oil.
Yeah,
Yes.
man. So people will
This is the
sing
natural coconut
Yeah,
oil.
good for your stomach.
everything in our kitchen, people, natural, you know.
Blend.
Yeah,
Well
man.
blend. And when you use the natural oil, it's
Natural
better for your
coconut
stomach.
oil.
True, man. Real deal, people. Look at people, man. Could
This is not the Ackee.
Jamaica national dish, people.
People say, natural coconut oil. Yeah, this is pretty like
Pretty, man. People, you only see this black place. Black
Original.
place, original.
Yes.
And you only see this on Middle Life TV. Yeah.
The natural food.
Natural food like
Yes.
it, people.
And I always tell the people them, just take it to me and make you taste.
This is a taste here. bro.
Yeah, man,
Take
it's
it
a
to me,
taste,
I
man.
import it for you.
Lord of God.
But
Eat the
at the same
people.
time, we are.
Lord. Rough people, shot.
What do you remember? Look for some blood clot Ackee with selfish. Me say, Ackee come like, you know, miss selfish.
Yeah. Mad thing, man.
No, that's about blood in a way, do. Tell me what you do. He said, well blended, you know.
Yes, Black Smith, me Jenna. Ackee, bad man.
Yo, he said,
Shot.
he come like say, brother, he said, he come like, me say, he come like he having his selfish already, but don't go to you know, see it.
Yeah.
But he just have the blend, and he put up the